How to install flexible skirting board into a bay window. Because of the size of this bay window, we're going to use a full length of flexible skirting board and join it to a second piece, which is much shorter. We've cut this shorter piece too long for the bay window and we'll trim it to size when we cut the angle line. Now we need to measure and find the angles to cut the skirting board at so that we can make the joins in the corners. Our corner here is 107 degrees, so we subtract that from 180 degrees, which gives us 73. Since the join is made of two skirting pieces, we divide 73 by 2 and that gives us 36.5 degrees. That's the angle we're going to cut it at. With the angle cut on the skirting board, we're now going to pre-drill fixing holes. Next we move on to heating. The entire skirting board needs to be warmed up evenly. We divide it into 5 equal sections and heat each one for 2 minutes. By the time we reach the last section, the first one begins to cool down, so we go back and reheat 2 sections for another 2 minutes. Once the skirting is warm, it's really flexible and we fit it into place and secure it. To fit the second smaller piece, we've cut one side at 22.5 degrees to create a scarf joint with the longer piece. Then we measure it and trim it to size, cutting the same angle as before, since we know that both our corners are identical on either side. Then we fit the second section in place using adhesive. Finally, we apply filler, sand it down, and the job's complete.